Rapid advances in technology are shaping the world. When it comes to security, touch is quickly becoming the industry standard, your finger acting as the key.
We at P-Shang Lab decided it was about time to create a padlock for the modern age. We believe a lock should always be functional and provide you with a quick, easy access whenever you need it. We are proud to introduce TapLock and TapLock Lite, the world's smartest padlocks.
TapLock and TapLock Lite need no key, no combination code, and no phone to access them. Instead, using a cutting-edge encrypted fingerprint sensor, it grants access with just a tap in 0.8 seconds. There's nothing to remember and nothing you can lose. It uses the one thing you always have with you, your unique fingerprint. TapLock can also double as a phone charger, so you'll never be stranded without power. But what about the times when you need to share access? Don't worry, we have you covered with the TapLock app, compatible with iOS, Windows, and Android. Using only your smartphone, you can grant anyone access to your lock from anywhere in the world. Up to 100 fingerprints can be stored. The time, location, and duration of access can even be customized. When you want to revoke access, do it with just a tap. With TapLock and TapLock Lite, you're always in control. TapLock is designed to keep unwanted guests out. It has a built-in alarm that will activate if the lock is cut or if someone without authorization tries to open it. So wherever you decide to use your TapLock or TapLock Lite, you can feel confident that your valuables are secure and that accessing them will be quick and easy. TapLock has a lithium-ion battery that can last up to 3 years on one charge. And it gives you the option of accessing your lock through your phone using Bluetooth 4.1. TapLock Lite was designed with travelers in mind, so we made it small, lightweight, and secure. It's equipped with a replaceable battery that can last up to 6 months. It's also water-resistant, so you don't need to worry about it being damaged by rain or snow.
We have spent countless hours creating TapLock and TapLock Lite, and now we're ready to bring them to you. We take great pride in modernizing an invaluable item through the power of touch. Help us bring TapLock to market by purchasing a perk. Early adopters will be among the first to experience ultimate in convenience and security from TapLock and TapLock Lite, the world's smartest padlock.
Keep your family safe with the Skybell Video Doorbell. Skybell sends live video of your front door to your smartphone so you can always know who's at the door.
Can I help you?
We also believe that the things that keep you safe should also keep you connected to the ones you love.
Daddy, I'm home from school and look what I made you.
Oh, that's great, sweetheart.
And make your life a little easier.
I have a package for Rachel.
Great, I'll be home soon. Can you leave it on the side of the house?
Sure.
Skybell HD's motion sensor will alert you when an unwanted visitor doesn't press the doorbell. And full-color night vision helps you see perfectly at night.
Hit the lights.
Tired of visitors waking up your baby by pressing your doorbell? With the silent mode feature, you can turn off the indoor chime and still receive notifications on your phone. Skybell HD records each video you see, so you can watch or download the video at a later time, even if you didn't see it live. When combined with other smart home products like locks, lights, and indoor cameras, Skybell HD becomes the eyes to your smart home. We've partnered with some of the biggest companies in the world, extending their coverage to your front door. On sale now at skybell.com.
Technology can help you protect and secure what is most important for you. Your health, your home, your belongings, your pets, and of course, your family. But suppose you can have all of these in only one device. Yes, only one. One device that will protect all of the important things in your life for you? Well, there is. Meet All-Be-One, the all-in-one personal security guardian. A small capsule packed with multiple sensors that can sense and monitor pretty much everything. With its infrared technology, All-Be-One will warn you when someone enters your home or your office. And it will always keep track of your belongings. It will warn you when someone tries to steal your laptop. If you put the All-Be-One in a drawer, you will always know if it was opened in your absence. Your phone will only unlock when you are near it. It warns you if someone bumps into your car. It counts steps, calories, and distances. Long hours at work can prevent a moderate sun exposure to provide vitamin D to our skin. All-Be-One will advise you to get some sun. All-Be-One is also a wireless shortcut for emergency calls and enables you to determine your GPS location. All-Be-One will warn you when to put some sunscreen on your child during the day. It will warn you when your child wanders away from sight, or if you are looking for your pet. All-Be-One comes with an extended range connection, which needs charging only once in 2 months. The All-Be-One team has spent many hours creating the perfect design that can replace many kinds of devices in one advanced product. All-Be-One is an all-in-one, low-cost personal security solution that is accessible to all. And that's not all. All-Be-One is an open device, and we invite all developers to use it to create almost endless apps for future All-Be-One uses. With your support and our vision, we will be able to help everyone feel secure everywhere.
Fahrradgarage Zerpan wird aus Edelstahl und stoßfestem Kunststoff individuell gefertigt. Durch ihre kompakten Abmessungen lässt sich die Fahrradgarage Zerpan auch auf engen Plätzen aufstellen. Das Sicherheitsschloss sitzt mittig in der nach oben schwingenden Haube. Starke Federn unterstützen das Öffnen und Schließen und machen die Bedienung kinderleicht. Idealen Stand finden die Fahrräder in den optionalen Zerfix-Fahrradhalterungen. Je nach gewünschter Größe bietet die Fahrradgarage Zerpan Platz für 1 bis 4 Räder. Edles Design für soliden Schutz.
If you've ever stayed in a hotel, bed and breakfast or rented accommodation and thought that you don't feel completely secure, that's no surprise. Just how many people have had access to the keys that unlock your door or use them on a daily basis? It's a bit of a worry, but you can't just change the locks wherever you go, can you? Well, there's now a solution. EasyLock is the lightweight, quick-to-install, super-strong temporary door lock that keeps you and your valuables safe wherever you are. By placing the EasyLock over the existing latch plate, you create a simple yet sturdy lock that only you control. It's the only lock of its kind that allows you to confirm a visitor or receive documents whilst remaining secure. And when not in use, it can just slip into your pocket. And don't worry, the EasyLock may be lightweight, but its core is made from steel, so it's built to last. Take a little extra peace of mind with you wherever you go. EasyLock. Small, strong, secure.